Adding a fun filter to your WhatsApp video calls is a simple way to liven things up and get creative with your family and friends. Whether you are catching up one on one or having a group chat, a filter can change the whole vibe and lead to some good laughs. So, in order to do that, start a video call. This can be either a one on one call or a group call. The feature works just as well for both. Now, once you are on the call, you will notice a small magic wand icon in the right corner of your screen. Tap it and you will see a carousel of filters you can swipe through. We are here with a list of filters available as of the time writing: warm, cool, black and white, light leak, dreamy, prism light, fish eye, vintage TV, frosted glass, and duotone. Once you have found the filter that best suits your mood, simply tap on it. The filter will instantly apply to your video feed and everyone else on the call will see your new look in real time. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.